You have found your way to Spectral Plain. A cosmological representation is emerging, a claim for a new planetary imagination. Celestial energies are aligning under adversarial forces between the entities of vapor, satellite, and ozone. Mutative force is uniting Terranian energies, joining the entities chlorophyll, water, and earthquake. In the infracosmic, bioluminescence, crystal, and lava energies are being bound by haunted forces. Your collective journeys through the cosmic stack have merged into this spectral plane. Follow the light and come gather around the campfire. Under these dark waters, which are a shrine to the unknown, there is light in all things. These lights are the stranded spirits of fungal ancestors, cosmic particles that have pierced the naked eye to bring great messages about both life and death. In the flash of lightning, see glimpses of what may come in the future. Haunted by what we don't understand.